ሰላም ተኸታተልቲ ናይዚ ቻነል ከመይ ትኾኑ ጽቡቕ ክትኮኑ ናይ ወትሩ ትምኒትና እዩ ሎሚ እውን ከም ወትሩ ኣገደስቲ ፍጻሜታትን ዜናታትን ትንተናን ሒዝናልኩም ቀሪብና ኣለና ክሳብ መወዳእታ ምሳና ክትጸንሑ ድማ ብኽብሪ ንዕድመኩም መቸም ዶናልድ ትራምፕን ዘለንስኪን ፊት ንፊት ተራኺቦም ድሕሪ ክንደይ ናይ ቢልዮናት ዶላር ኮንትራት ናይ ማዕድናት ክፍረም ተባሂሉ ከበሮን ካልእን ዝህረመሉ ዝነበረ ኣብ ዋይት ሃውስ ኣብ ኦቨል ኦፊስ ተራእዩን ተሰሚዑን ዘይፍለጥ ድራማ ተሰሪሕሎ ፍልይቲ ድራማ እዚኣ ኣብ መንጎም ዘጋጠመ ኩነታት ብሓደ ክንርኢና እንታይ እቲ መበገሲ ናበይ ገፁ ክኸይድ ይኽእል ነቲ ብምሉእ ኩነታት ኣብ ዩክሬን ዝካየድ ዘሎ ኣብ መንጎ ኣሜሪካን ኤሮጳን ዝኸይድ ዘሎ ኩነታት ብኸማይ ክጸልዎ እዩ let's start this is going to be interesting ናይ ብሓቂ ዘገርም ኩነታት ኢና ንርኢ ዘለና what is it እስከ በዚ ንጀምር please like ግበሩ support ግበሩ.
This is DW News live from Berlin. The leaders of the U.S. and Ukraine clash in a fiery meeting in the Oval Office. Donald Trump accuses Volodymyr Zelensky of gambling with World War III. He says the Ukrainian leader is being disrespectful and asking for U.S. security guarantees and should come back when he's ready for peace with Russia.
So ከም ንሪኦ ዘለና እዚ ዘረባ እዚ of course ንኢንተርነት ክሰብር ደልዩ ዘሎ ኩነታት እዩ እንታይ ኣጋጢሞም ግን እንታይ እቲ ዘጋጠመ እስከ ንእሽተይ እቲ ኮንቨርሴሽን ራእዩ ድሕሪኡ እቲ ስቶሪ ናበይ ገፁ ይኸይድ ኣሎ ሕጂ ኣበይ በፂሑ ኣሎ ክንርኢና ድሕሪኡ ክልቲኦም እውን ዝተፈላለየ መግለፂ ሂቦም ኣለዉ.
Vladimir, how are we doing on the deal? It doesn't work that way. I'm not aligned with Putin. I'm not aligned with anybody. I'm aligned with the United States of America and for the good of the world. I'm aligned with the world, and I want to get this thing over with. You see the hatred he's got for Putin. It's very tough for me to make a deal with that kind of hate. He's got tremendous hatred, and I understand that, but I can tell you the other side isn't exactly in love with, him either.
እንታይ ዝብል ዘሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ክትጅምር ከላታ ድራማ እንዴ ዝብላነ አሚን ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ናይ ድራማ ንጉስ እዩ he's a showman ናይ ቲቪ personality እዩ and he's a show person ስለዚ ነገራት ወላት ፕሬዚደንት ከለውን ናይ ሪያሊቲ ናይ ሾው ፕሬዚደንት ኮይኑ ይስማዓካ ሓደ ግዜ መጀመርያ እዚ ዘለዎም ዘረባ ንደገ ደውፃ ይነበሮን ኣብ ዕፁ ገዛ ክገብሮ ይኽእል ነይሮም no definitely ንደገ ክውፅእ ስለዝተደለየ ነቲ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ክውስኖ ዝኽእል እውን ክምጫሉ ስለዝኽእል ዝኾነ እንታይ ዝብሎ ዘሎ እቶም ጋዜጠኛታት ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ስኻ ናይ ፑቲን ፀቅሒ ሒዝካ ኣለኻ ኢሎሞ ኣነ ናይ ፑቲን ፀቅሒ ሓያዝኩ ወላ ናይ ዘለንስኪ ፀቅሒ ሓያዝኩ ናይ ኣሜሪካ ፀቅሒ ሒዘ ዘለኹ ናይ ኣሜሪካ ረብሓ ቀዲመ ዝኸይድ ዘለኹ ብግደ ሰብኣውነት ተሪኢኻ ድማ ንደቂ ሰባት ናይ ዓለምና ሰላም ከንግስ ዝኽእል ስጉምቲ የድወስድ ዘለኹ ስለዚ እቲ ኩናት ናብ ካልእ ክምዕብል ስለዝኽእል ነቲ ኩናት ጠጠው ንምባል እየ ዝውስን ዘለኹ ክሪኦ ከለኹ ግን ዘለንስኪ ናይ ዩክሬን ፕሬዚደንት ማለት እዩ ምስ ዘሎ ኣብ ልዕሊ ቭላድሚር ፑቲን ፍልይ ዝበለ ፅልእን ሕርቃንን እዩ ዘለዎ ቨሪ ትሩ ኣብዚ ቻነል ብዙሕ ግዜ ተዛሪበ እያ ኣብ ልዕሊ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ዘለዎ ኣብ ልዕሊ ቭላድሚር ፑቲን ዘለዎ ሕርቃንን ፅልእን ኣቋናፂብካ ናይ ምዝራብን እስና ገነ ሊድ ቱ ናብ ዝኾነ ይኹን ኔጎሲዬሽንስ ናብ ዝኾነ ይኹን ዘተን ዝርርብን ውፅኢታውነት ከምፅእ ዝኽእል ኣይኮነን ስለዚ ስምዒትካ ውሒድካ ሪዝነብል ኣብ ክውንነት ተመስሪትካ ንዘሎ ኔጎሽት ክትገብር ክትክእል ኣለካ ስለዚ እቲ ዘለዎ ፅልእን ሕርቃንን ምስ ፑቲን ኔጎሽት ንክንገብር ክሓግዝ ኣይኮነን ብግምጣሉ ድማ ፑቲን እውን ነዚ ሰብ እዚ ይፈትዎን የፍቅሮን ማለት ኣይኮነን ስለዚ ኣብ መንጎ ክልቲኦም ተሽሙ እንተሎ ዲል ክትገብር ኣይትኽእልን ኢኻ ስለዚ ብከምዚ መንገዲ ክግበር ኣይከልን እዩ እናበለት እያ ትጅምርታ ዘርታ ነገር
So it's not a question of alignment. I'm aligned with the world. I want to get the thing set. I'm aligned with Europe. I want to see if we can get this thing done. You want me to be tough? I could be tougher than any human being you've ever seen. I'd be so tough. But you're never going to get a deal that way. So that's the way it goes. One more question.
أنا ون حراق تافقهم كم حيال كوينا أكتر جبر مخالكو كابزخون يقولون زلا على ون حيال أكون خليجن كم خين كلمة ديل كتجبر يتغلني خا رزي تنقرات كعليها بزروي رأس متي خا وين سمعتات كعك كخديل كتجبر تغلي زبل أوكي بس كده حن دونالد ترامب نايديل The art of deals with صحف كان نسمعك
I would respond to this. So look, for 4 years in the United States of America, we had a president who stood up at press conferences and talked tough about Vladimir Putin, and then Putin invaded Ukraine and destroyed a significant chunk of the country. The path to peace and the path to prosperity is maybe engaging in diplomacy. We tried the pathway of Joe Biden of thumping our chest and pretending that the president of the United States' words mattered more than the president of the United States' actions.
هذا عبت قدايتي بفلاي نقداينا يوكرين أخراري أتمام تازلون تغلا نا يوكرين دقافة كم زي كونه زنقرلون نا أوروبا دقافة كم زي كونه زنقرلو ترى كونه بعلون زنصرا ميني كونفرنس مالتيو جاي دي فينس مختل بريزنت نا دونالد ترامب زحد ما كم زترترو نا بعد نا زحد نا زمت بريزنت نا أمريكا كونزغل ونيم دلو جندا يزمل زلو أبزي أنا كوس خلا إلى مجمريا زحالف 4 عام زنبر بريزنت نا أمريكا جو بايدن مالتيو أبزي وايت هاوس أفلبنا نفحي بوتين ديكتاتوريون بوتين كانت فوينا بوتين علاميو عبود كلبيو نابله فخران تهديدن يوكرين دماغ سامو داتا بغلغن حق زاينا يبل نيرو انتهي وتسيد كم تيلو بوتين 10% نا يوكرين وسيدو نتهاجر دما بادي موا سلازي بافكا نا يجي فكر كذا يكون ابايت انت كتقبر تخليو سلازي نا امريكا بريزنت ابز وايت هاوس كوينو يفكر نيرو جو بايدن دونالد ترامب دما يذكرنا فلاديمير بوتين دما يذكرن يحزن نيرو يزبل زلو حقي دمازي جو بايدن كم حسن فكرون 10 غزي نديرو تزاريبن اقراتات غيرون ابعدو كينات قد بوتين يدسعر نيرو ولا ون تواقع بخلتي عابن تخون حجي قن نزم الكعزك عيرو سلام كمتصزخل رقعات كمتصزخل مردداء كمتصزخل دبلوماسي زعمل مراح مصيلو ስለዚህ ዲፕሎማሲ ማለት ድማ ነቲ ዘሎ ፀገም ተቀደሎ ኩነታት ተቀቢልካ ከመይ ጌርካ ሰላማዊ መፍትሕን ማዕለብን ትገብረሉ ነዚ ክገብር ዝኽእል መራሒ ስለ ዘሎ ናቱ መንገዲ ናቱ ተበግሶን ክውሰድ ኣለዎ ኢልዩ መብርሂ ዝህብ ዘሎ ኣብዚያ ትጅምር ድማ ተባሲ
What makes America a good country is America engaging in diplomacy. That's what President Trump is doing.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So he occupied our parts, big parts of Ukraine, part of East and Crimea. So he occupied it on 2014. So during a lot of years, so I'm not speaking about just Biden, but those time was Obama, then President Obama, then President Trump, then President Biden, now President Trump, and God bless, now President Trump will stop him. But during 2014, nobody stopped him. He just occupied and he killed people. You know what the contact line?
حجي انتهي تبلو زلو حتى هذا الوقت حتى دما اوكي أبكل تشنا أسرت 4 جميرو زكونتات زي بحصر تبلا نوح تبلا ستوريز أنا جرزولوج انتهي زبل زلو زكونتات ناتنا أبكل تشنا أسرت 4 جميرو أنا قالك كفالنا يتداريخ صار دمسي سندي تزارب زلو قلت تشنا أسرت 4 كجمر كله بخمي جميرو أي زاربني نتوكينات رايد زارب زلو توكينات لم تجميرو قل أي قال لسني أبسي بوغير كأمني خاز فتن زلو أنا very sure جيري فانس تبو غير زفلتي في جمر كله توكينات CIA نا أمريكا بريزنت نا يوكرين بمعلاو نتكونتات كم زجمرو بعد زلنسكي أكل نايت دراما ناي أمريكا زنبرة أبزوان زدما سرح زبكة تواسعي نايتي نا أمريكا مسرح زنبرة أوكي لسه نقدفو أبكل تشين 4 توكينات جميرو أبتك زي أوباما نيرد حري ترامب نيرد حري بايدن نيرد جدما أوباما جدما ترامب تملي سلو تتوقع بلاد ما يبلالو أوكي أبتوانتي أبستفل عليه ديلس قبر نيرو الجسم هو انتهيت كزاربوز غالي
2014
is when
2014.
Yeah. So
I was not here.
Yeah, but
exactly right.
Yes, but during 2014 till 2022, you know, the situation the same. The people have been dying on the contact line. Nobody stopped him. You know that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversations, my bilateral conversation, and we signed with him. Me, like a new president in 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel, we signed ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him with gas contract. Yes, but after that, he broken this ceasefire. He killed our people and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
أبدأت جمرتها دراما سنتايز بلا زلو እዚ ሰብ እዚ ንፑቲን ማለት እዩ ኣብ ብዙሕ ቦታታት ኣብ 2014 ዲል ተገይሩ ጥሒስዎ ኣብ 2022 ማክሮንን መርከልን ደም ነው አይ ዶንት ኖ ታም ፖይንት ክልቲኦም ኮይኖም ጋራንቲ ክንህቢና ዝበልዎ ተጣሒሱ ናይ ሱራት ለውጥ ክንገብር ነተባህል ነይሩ ኣይ ተገብረን ኣይ ገበሮን ፑቲን ስለዚ እንታይ ዓይነት ዲፕሎማሲ ክትዛረብ ዘለኻ ክንደይ ግዜ ተዘራሪብና ክንደይ ግዜ ምስ ዘተገርና ኢና ለውጥ ከም ዘየምፅእ ንፈልጥ ኢና ንስኻ ሕጂ እንታይ ዓይነት ዲፕሎማሲ ክትዛረብ ዘለኻ ኣብዚ ሕጂ ብዓብዩ ገለገለ ኪላታቱን ከም ዝበልዎ ናይ ቋንቋ ፀገም እውን ነይሩ ዘለንስኪ ኔቲቭ ወይ እውን ቋንቋ እንግሊሽ ናቱ ሙሉ ብሙሉ ስለዘይኮነ ሓሳባት ኤግዛክት ላይ ገለጸና ቦ እቲ ዝዛረቦ ዝነበረ ቃላት ድማ ንኣሜሪካውያን ኢሪቴት ክገብር ዝኽእል ወይ እውን ክትንክፍ ዝኽእል እዩ ብምባል ቶም ደገፍቲ ናይ ዘለንስኪ ክሸፋፍኑ ክኢሎም እዚ ተርጓሚ ገይሩ እንትዛረብ ነይሩ እውን ዝሓሸ ምኾነ ይብላ ኣሎ ሓደ
talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come to the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are...
እንታይ ዝብል ዘሎ ጀዲ ቫንስ ተቐቢሉ ማለት እዩ እንታይ ዓይነት ዲፕሎማሲ ካ ትዛረብ ዘለካ ኢልዎስ ዲፕሎማሲ ነዚ ኩናት ጠጠው ከብሎ ዝኽእል ንሃገርካ ድማ ካብ ዕንወት ከትሕና ዝኽእል ሕጂ ግን ኣብ ቅድሚ ህዝቢን ኣብ ቅድሚ ሚድያን ኣብ ቅድሚ ኣብ ኦቨል ኦፊስ ናይ ኣሜሪካ መፂኻ ዲስሬስፔክት ኣብዚ ኮንካ ትጉዳይካ ምስ ሚድያ ኮንካ ክትፈትሑ ምፍታን ጌጋን ድዩ ስለዚ ኢሉ ጠጠው ከብሎ ይፍትና ኣሎ ምስ ኩሉ ክብረት ምስተር ፕሬዚደንት ናበለ ይዛረበሉ
going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the president for trying to bring it into this conflict.
Have you ever been to Ukraine that you say what problems we have?
I have been to... I've actually watched and seen the stories, and I know what happens is you bring them on a propaganda tour, Mr. President. Do you disagree that you've had problems?
እንታይ ኢሉ ሕጂ ኣብ ጀዲ ቫንስ ማለት እዩ ንፈልጥ ኢና እቲ ኩነታት ከመይ ከም ዘሎ ኣብ ዩክሬን ናይ ሕፅረት ናይ ሰራዊት ስለ ዘጋጥመኩም ዘሎ ካብ ጎደናታት መንእሰያት ትገፍኾም ዘለኹም ኢልዎሲ ዘለንስኪ ድማ ዩክሬን መፂኻ ነርካ ዲኻ ኣሜሪካ ትፈልጦ እዚ ኢልዎ ኣብ ቪድዮ ወይ ኣብ ዝኾነ ይኹን ሓበሬታ ርአ ናይ ሰብ ሕፅረት ከም ዘሎ ስለዚ ሕፅረት ናይ ወታደራት የብልና እንዲኻ ትብለን ዘላ እስከ መለስ ነዚያ ይብሎ ኣሎ ማለት
people in your military and do you think it's respectful to come to the Oval Office of the United States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
A lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning. Sure. First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless. You will not have a war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
ሕጅብ ዚኣ ትጅምርታ ዝረሰነት ድራማ ኣብ ኩናት ዝኾነ ሰብ ዝኾነ ሃገር ሽግር የጋጥሞ እዩ ሽግር ከልወና ይኽእል እዩ ንስኻትኩም እውን ሽግር ኣለኩም ምናልባት ሕጂ ከይስማዓኩም ይኽእል ኣብ ገለ ፖይንት ክስማዓኩም እዩ ስለዚ ምስ በሎም ኦኬ ብዛዕባ ጉዳይ ስምዒታትናን ሕማምናን ሽግርናን ክትነግረና ይኮናን ፀውዒና ካብዚ ንሕና ሓደ ሽግር ክንፈትሕ ኢና ብዝተኣኪብና ዘለና ብዛዕባ ስምዒትናን ብዛዕባ ሽግርናን ክትነግረና ድማ ኣይንደልና ኣብዚኣ ትጅምርታ ዝረሰነት ድራማ ማለት እዩ
No position to dictate that. Remember this. You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel. We're going to feel very good.
Feel influence.
We're going to feel very good and very strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position that he happens to be right about.
From the very beginning of the war.
You're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having cards. Right now, you don't have to play cards. You're playing cards. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people.
ኣብዚ ተባሲ ምትህራም ጥራይ ተሪፋቶም ቶም ሚም ዝሰርሑ ዘለዉ ክካሰሙ ከለዉ እዮም ገይሮማ ዘለዉ ምክንያቱ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ እንታይ ይብል ኣሎ ኣብ ዝዋን እዚ ኣብ ፅቡቅ ኣቃወማ የለኻን ኣብ ኔጎሲዬሽን ድማ ክዕውተካ ዝኽእል ዓበይቲ ካርድታት የብልካን ሓደ ግዜ እቲ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ዝጥቀመሉ ቃላት ንብዙሓት ሰባት ዘቆጥዕ እዩ ሓቂ ንምዝራብ እዚ you don't have the cards ገለ መለክ ይብሎ ዘሎ ዘረባ ትክክል ዘረባ እዩ ግን ንናይ ቢዝነስ ዲል ክትገብር ከለካ ዝበሃል ዘረባ እዩ ኣብዚ ናይ ህይወት ናይ ደቂ ሰባት ስለ ዝኾነ ዋላ እኳ ዝጥቀመሉ ዘለዉ ሓሳብ ፅቡቅ እንትኾነ ንኸምኡ ክትጥቀም ከለካ we're not playing cards ዝብል ዘሎ እቲ ስለዚ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ኣሜሪካዊ እዩ ኔቲቭ ስፒከር እዩ ግን ስቲል ዝጥቀመሉ ቃላት ሓደ ግዜ ንኣብነት ብዛዕባ ቀዛ ክዛረብ ከሎ ሪል ስቴት እዩ ዝብል ለክለ ከምዚ ንገዛ ህንፃ ክትሃንፀሉ ትሓስበ ዘለካ ኩሉ ነገር ከምዚ ብዓይኒ ትራንዛክሽናል ቢዝነስ እዩ ዝርዮ እዚ ከዓ ብጣዕሚ ዓብ ጌጋ እዩ ምክንያቱ ሰብ ዝሞተሉ ዘሎ ህልቂት ዝፍፀመሉ ዘሎ ሽግር ዘጋጥመሉ ዘሎ ኩነታት ኣቃሊልካ ከም ሓደ ሪል ስቴት ትራንዛክሽን ወይ እውን ከም ሓደ ቢዝነስ ትራንዛክሽን ጌርካ ካርዲ የብልካ ንስኻ ገለመለ እናበልካ ምዝራብ ቁሩብ ስምዒታት ክትንክፍ ይኽእል እዩ ግን ዝብሎ ዘለካ ነቲ ኩንነት ንምግላፅ እዩ ኣብ ባይታ ዘዕውተካ ኣብ ጣውላ ክዕውተካ ዝኽእል ፀብለልትነት የብልካን ወይ ከዓ ሌቨሬጅ የብልካን ወይ እውን ላዕለዋይ ኢድ የብልካን ሰራዊት ፀገም ኣለካ መሬትካ ተቆፃፂሩ ኣሎ ህዝብካ ውሑድ እዩ ቁጠባ ናይ ሃገርካ ሕማቕ እዩ ስለዚ ኣብ ኩሉ ንፑቲን ጠጠው ከብሎ ዝኽእል ወይ እውን ኣብ ጣውላ ፀብለልትነት ክበካ ዝኽእል ድሌታትካ ንክትሓትት ዘኽእለካ ፀብለልትነት የብልካን ስለዚ ምሳና እንተ ተፀጊዕካ ገለ ነገር ክትረክብ ትኽእል ኢኻ በይንኻ ክትገብሮ ትኽእል የብልካን ስለዚ ዘረባ ገሊፍካ ንዓና እንተሰማዕካ ምሳና እንተተረዳዳካ እቲ ናይ ማዕድናትካ ዲል ምሳና እንተገበርካ ዝሓሸ እዩ እቲ ዝዓበየ ሕርቃን ፈጢሩ ዘሎ ዲል ክገብር ኢሉ ክፍርም ኢሉ ዝመፀ ሰብ እዩ ነቲ ምፍራም ገዲፉ ንሱ ድማ እንታይ ዘል ዘሎ ንዘለንስኪ ቁሩብ ኣብ ቦቱ ኮይንካ ምርኣይ የድሊ ኣሜሪካ ጋራንቲ ክትቦ ምክንያቱ ፅባሕ ንጎ ራሽያ መፅያ ገለ ከይትገብር ጋራንቲ ክትቦ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ግን ኣብ መወዳእታ ይምልሳይ ነዛ ሕቶ እዚኣ ድሓን ንስማዕ
Gambling with World War III. You're gambling with World War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country. That's back to you. Far more than a lot of people said they should have.
Have you said thank you once?
So بسالساي كنات عالم تسعات على خايلو سلازي زي قمار بسالساي كنات عالم مخنيتو نحنا ندحراتينا سراويتنا ندحراتيا بتبوتاتي سالساي كنات عالم نخجم برزل على تخلو يزلو قال دما ابزي وايت هاوس ناتنا ابزي اوفل اوفيس ابي ديسريسبكت نعين نامريكا نهزبان تقبر على خايبلو بزحات ميديا ونزيا دغما جميرهم just كنرينا تي بفلايت بيزنا تو تولي عوي حق
No, in this entire meeting, you said thank you. You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States of America and the president who's trying to save your country.
እንታይ ይብለሎ እዚኣታ ሓርቃን ካብ ዚኣ ትበገስ ኣብ ኣሜሪካ ኣብ ግዜ ምርጫ ናይ ዶናልድ ትራምፕን ካማላ ሃሪስን ኣብ ዝካየደሉ ዝነበረ ኣብ ፔንስልቬንያ ዝበሃል መፂኻ ነታ ካማላ ሃሪስ ንክትዕወት ንዓ ክሕግዝ ዝኽእል ምስኣ ካምፔይን ጌርካ ኢኻ እቲ ንስኻ ክስዕረልካ ዝደለኻዮ ሰብ ኣይሰዓረትን እቲ ኣንጻሩ ትገብር ዝነበርከ ተዓዊቱ ግን ንጉዳይ ናይ ሃገርካ ጠጠው ከብሎ ይፍትን ኣሎ ዘይንፈልጥ ከይመስለካ ድማ ኢሉ ክነግሮ ጀሚሩ ኣሎ ስለዚ እቲ ሕርቃን ካበይ ከም ዝበገስ ጄዲ ቫንስ ሙሉእ ብሙሉእ ናይ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ደገፍ ከም ዝህብ ዘሎ ኢና ንርኢ ዘለና እዚ ከዓ ነቲ ማጋ ዝበሃል ንጄዲ ቫንስ ከም ስታር ከም ዝገብርዎ ካልኦት ድማ ጄዲ ቫንስ ሓደ ናይ ዲያብሎስ ልኡኽ እዩ ብምባል ቶም ዴሞክራትስ ድማ ይገልፅዎ ኣሎ ምክንያቱ ነዚ ኩነታት ዘርስኖ ዘሎ ንሱ እዩ ብምባል ድማ ብፍላይ ኤውሮጳውያን ጄዲ ቫንስ ዝበሃል እዩ እቲ ቀንዲ ሽግር ኮይኑ ዘሎ እዮም ዝብሉ ዘለዉ ናይ ባዕቂ ዘገር
You think that if you will speak very loudly about the war,
He's not speaking loudly. He's not speaking loudly. Your country is in big trouble.
Can I answer?
No, you've done a lot of talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not.
ዘለንስኪ ድማ ዓብ ፀገም ፈጢሮም እዚ ጄዲ ቫንስ ዓዊልካ እንተ ተዛረብካ ሽግር ዝፍታሕ ይመስለካ ኣሎ ኢሉ this is going to be ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ድማ ተቐቢልቲ ይቀባበሉሉ እዮም ዘለዉ that's a big problem ሃገር ካብ ሽግር ኣላ ስኻ ይርዳእካ ኣሎ ኢልዎ እዋብ ሽግር ከም ዘላ ይፈልጥ ካብኣ ስለ ዝመፃኹ እቲ ሕርቃንን ባዕስን ካልእ level
You're not winning this. You have a damn good chance of coming out okay because of
Mr.
us.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this cabinet.
We gave you, through
I
the
said
stupid
thank
president, $350 billion.
You
We
voted
gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment.
You
And you
voted
men
for
are
your
brave, but they had to use our military.
What about West?
If you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me.
equipment,
You invited
if
me
you
to
didn't have
So ንሪኦ ዘለና ከምዚ ዓይነት ባሲ ኣብ ታሪክ ናይ ኦቨል ኦፊስ ከምዚ ዓይነት ኣብ ቅድሚ ፕረስ ኣጋጢም ኣይፈልጥን እዩ በት ሄይ አንቻርተር ተሪቶሪያት ኢና ከም ዘለና ዝበሃል እዚ እዩ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ተራዩ ዘይፍለጥ ቦታ ኢና በፂሕና ዘለና ዝክብሉ ከለዉ ካብዚ ዝብገስ ብናትና ኣፅዋርን ብናትና ሓገዝን ኢኻ ከም ዝበፅሕካ እወ ህዝብኻ ዩክራይናውያን ጀጋኑ እዮም ከም ጀጋኑ እውን ይዋግኡ ኣለዉ ግን ብዘይናትና ሓገዝ ክትገብሮ ትኽእል ነገር የብልካ
equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3 days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days, this is something
Maybe
new.
less.
In 2 weeks, of course, yes.
It's going to be a very hard thing to do business like this. I can tell you.
ብጣዕሚ ዘለንስኪ ድማ ተወሊዕዎ ኣሎ ሲፀጋም ያ ሓቂ ካለካ ኣብ 2 ሰሙን ክውዳእ ይኽእል ኣብ 3 ሰሙን ሓቂ ካለካ ይብሎ ኣሎ እዚ እጂ ኣብ መንጎኦም ዘሎ ኩነታት ዋው
Thank you.
I said a lot of times
Accept that there are disagreements, and let's go litigate those disagreements rather than trying to fight it out in the American media when you're wrong. We know that you're wrong.
But you see, I think it's good for the American people to see what's going on. I think it's very important. That's why I kept this going so long. You have to be thankful. You don't have the cards. You're buried there. Your people are dying. You're running low on soldiers. Listen, you're running low on soldiers. It would be a damn good thing. Then you tell us, I don't want a ceasefire. I don't want a ceasefire. I want to go and I want this. Look, if you could get a ceasefire right now, I tell you, you take it so the bullets stop flying and your men stop getting killed.
Of course, we want to stop the war.
So እንታይ ዝብሎ ዘሎ ኣነ ምቁራፅ ናይ ተኩስ ኣይደልኒ ከም ገለ ክትብል ከለካ እንታይ ስለ ዘለካ እዩ ነፍሲ ወከፍ ዝወሃበካ ምቁራፅ ናይ ተኩሲ ክትቀበለ ዝግባእካ ምክንያቱ ገለ ወታደራት ካብ ሞት ክድሕኑ ስለ ዝኽእሉ ስለዚ ንሃገርካ ንህዝብካ እንትሓስብ ተኮይንካ ዝኾነ ስጉምቲ ክትወስድ ክትክእል ኣለካ ዘለንስኪ ሕጂ ካብ ዘይሮ ተበጊሱ ይኮነ ንዛረብ ዘሎ ምቁራፅ ተኩሲ ጥራይ ንበይኑ እኹል ኣይኮነ ንዓና ንሓዋሩ ሰላም ክንረክብ ጋራንቲ ክወሃበና ኣለዎ ዋላ ማዕድናት ናውሰዱ ወይ ዝብል ዘሎ ዋላ እቲ ዲል ናይ ማዕድናት ይገበር ግን ሚሊታሪ ሴኪሪቲ ክወሃበና ክኽእል ኣሎ ይብል ኣሎ ብግምጣሉ ድማ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ድማ ኣብ መንከራቅሪያ እትዩ ዘሎ ቭላድሚር ፑቲን ድማ መበገሲ ናይዚ ኩናት ኔቶን ሰራዊት ናይ ኣሜሪካን ክኣቱ ስለ ዝጀመረ እዩ ስለዚ ናይ ኣሜሪካ ሰራዊት ኣብ ዩክሬን ዝኣቱ እንድሕሪ ኮይኑ እዚ ኩናት ጠጠው ዝብለሉ ምክንያት የለን ኣነ ካ ዲል ክገብር ድልውነት የብለይ ምክንያቱ ምንጭ ናይዚ ኩሉ ኩናት ምስፍሕፋሕ ናይ ኔቶ እዩ ናይ ኔቶ ሰራዊት ናይ ኣሜሪካ ሰራዊት ናይ ኤውሮጳ ሰራዊት ኣብ ዩክሬን ኮፍ ኢሉ ነቲ ኣነ ክሕልየ ኢሉ ዝኣቱ ተኮይንካ እንታይ ክንገብር እዚ ኩሉ ዋጋ ከፊልና ኣለና ኢኻ ዝብል ዘሎ ስለዚ إتاز حتى زلوا كتكون سلزي تقل دونالد ترامب قبلا يكلني أما داتا بحرق أني من لسايون.
You're saying you don't want a ceasefire? I want a ceasefire because you'll get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask our people about ceasefire. What they think.
That wasn't with me. That wasn't with me. That was with a guy named Biden who was not a smart person. That was with Obama.
It was your president.
Excuse me. That was with Obama who gave you sheets and I gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets. In fact, the statement is Obama gave sheets and Trump gave javelins. You got to be more thankful because let me tell you, you don't have the cards. With us, you have the cards. But without us, you don't have any cards.
One question to the Vice President.
So after حلفة محدراون أوباما يكون كالو ده حق زخاي يبلو من أنا يتزبالة تجابلين زبال أصوار تحب خانة يعني رأس لذي مزجانا كل وقت هاي قبائل بلو حنت حتى كحتوي متحرك سجراينا زيانة فليز زبالة دراما.
I'm sorry.
It's going to be a tough deal to make because the attitudes have to change.
What if Russia breaks ceasefire? What if Russia breaks peace talks? What do you do then? I understand that it's a heated conversation right now.
What are you saying?
So دي حتى كذا لو ينزلوا زلوا أنا حتى كذا لي راشا نتسيس فاير تطون تبيلاتو if تقول من البعض راشا تطون تبيلاتو قديفة قينات تقصيلا راشا نتي مقراطة تقصي أنت تحساتو من البعض نابلة تحط الله.
She's asking what if Russia breaks the ceasefire?
Well, what if anything? What if a bomb drops on your head right now?
But they have
Okay.
هذا دونالد ترامب يتسغني ولا كو نابلك ما يتحممون ولا كو حجي ولا حجي ابرسغ بومب تزورت كنتاي مغبرك منال بعد بومب ابرسغ تزورت كنتاي مغبركي if نابلك كسر بايكلني يبلالو مالتي نمص ነገር ክንፈልጥ አይንخلينا ዛ አይነቱ.
What have they broken? I don't know. They broke it with Biden because Biden didn't respect him. They didn't respect Obama. They respect me. Let me tell you, Putin went through a hell of a lot with me. He went through a phony witch hunt where they used him and Russia. You ever hear of that deal? That was a phony Hunter Biden, Joe Biden scam. Hillary Clinton, Shifty Adam Schiff. It was a Democrat scam. And he had to go through that. And he did go through it. We didn't end up in a war. And he went through it. He was accused of all that stuff. He had nothing to do with it. It came out of Hunter Biden's bathroom. It came out of Hunter Biden.
So أمانجو زلنسكي أمانجو دونالد ترامب فلاديمير بوتين أنت عينة تركب يزلوا نابليهم تجاربهم exactly زي تركب بمحكمة مزرعة. دونالد ترامب سنك بوتين بزح واقعي كفيله. أنت ديمقراطيس كمدمات CIA FBI كلها توم نايسليا مكركرات ديمقراطس بمولهم بوجهه ناقبرهم دونالد ترامب بوتين كم زحجزوا نخمرس كم زجيروا مس بوتين ناي راشا ناي قلمل نابلو. بزح جزيهم بزح واقعي مخفيلهم من دونالد ترامب سلسة حرك أنا اللي وابزهم ديمقراطس جبروه إذا أكان ليتهم ديمقراطس كوينو impeached نكون دونالد ترامب زبركته سبينيرو بقمت على جن ماني نود بايدن يستكمل نيرو زي زلنسكي مالت سلزي دونالد ترامب الله ويك إمتى هم زلوا بزلنسكن أفتى ديمقراطسين زجبروا أفتى دراما نبوتين كم قبلنا جرب نزل نادقفوا نزل مسار هنا تتقوم يسقطوا لنا يرمي بابتس حلفه دقف سلزين برخم زنا حجي قلنا تكونتاتنا بحكي دونالد ترامب بديل كا كاسين كحت حد رايت خلينا قبال كلوس حكم يوم فلا أبزل لنا بوليتيكا على زلنسكي دما واجو بتخلك الريال
bedroom. It was disgusting. And then they said, oh, the laptop from hell was made by Russia. The 51 agents. The whole thing was a scam. And he had to put up with that. He was being accused of all that stuff. All I can say is this. He might have broken deals with Obama and Bush, and he might have broken them with Biden. He did, maybe. Maybe he didn't. I don't know what happened. But he didn't break them with me. He wants to make a deal. I don't know if he can make a deal. The problem is, I've empowered you to be a tough guy. And I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States. And your people are very brave. But you're either going to make a deal or we're out. And if we're out, you'll fight it out. I don't think it's going to be pretty.
So ويديل كتقبري 5 سنة ويد ما نحن نوتينا نحن أنت وتينا ما كنت كيدا يتغلني غاف كورس نحن هذا قبل زلك هات رأت بالدلغة حيالك تمثل تفتن دلغة جن تكون نتش بقرنا فلطينا نحن أنت دالينا تقبرنا قرية بالكانين.
But you'll fight it out. But you don't have the cards. But once we sign that deal, you're in a much better position. But you're not acting at all thankful. And that's not a nice thing. I'll be honest, that's not a nice thing. All right, I think we've seen enough. What do you think? This is going to be great television, I will say that. All right. We'll see what we can do about putting it.
ناي بحكي كم زعين الدراما على التلفزيون تغيري فلتني هيز فيري ترو ناي التلفزيون سبسلة زغونه هي نوز ثينجز ناي بحكي نحن بزو حقيزنا كاينا مسقانا بالكان بخمس من قد ديل قبراي تخلني خيلو ድሕርቲ ዘረባ ናይ ምሳሕ ፕሮግራም ነይሩ ኣብ መንጎ ካንስል ገይርዎ ከም ዝሰጎጎ እዩ ዝንገር ዘሎ ኣብዚ ስምዑ
House Jackie Heinrich has some new information for us. Jackie. Yeah, I just went up to the press area to get an understanding of what we're watching. This is what I was told. The president has kicked Zelensky out of the White House. His delegation right now is telling him that he's got to go home. The president felt disrespected. Officials in the room felt that beyond the language barrier, we've heard some discussion about Zelensky's body language, shrugging and eye rolling was ungrateful, disrespectful, and the president feels
So ከምዚ ድሕርቲ ዘረርብ ነቲ ምሳሕ ገለ ገዲፎም ካብ ዋይት ሃውስ ንገዝኡ ንክኸይድ ናብ ሆቴሉ ንክኸይድ ከም ዝኣዘዞ ንዘለንስኪ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ዝንገር ዘሎ ዓይንደ ቴሌቭዥን ሓንጎሎም ስሒቶም ማለት እዩ it was like a bombshell ከምኡ ዓይነት ኣይተራየን እዚ ድራማ ከምዚ ዓይነት ኣብ ዋይት ሃውስ I don't know ተራእዩ ኣይፈልጥን ግን this was by far ብፍሉይ ዝበለ ፍሉይ ኣጋጣሚ ጥራይ ክበሃል ዝኽእል reactions
feels that Zelensky is not ready for peace and he can come back when he's ready to talk about peace, but he's not in that position right now, and Zelensky is being told he's got to go. The lunch that they were supposed to have is sitting right outside the hallway, and the press staffers are going to be eating that lunch. This is really pretty incredible. We see the SUV, Zelensky's SUV.
If you look to your left, you're going to see him. Let's watch.
Second question for President.
So ኣብዚ ስምዑ I think ተዓጢቆም ሊኦም ነይሮም ብሓፈሻ ኣብዚ
Zelensky. Do you ever? Why don't you wear a suit? Why don't you wear a suit? You're at the highest level in this country's office, and you refuse to wear a suit. Just want to see if you do. You own a suit?
Yeah, problems.
A lot of Americans have problems with you not respecting.
I don't have such.
my ዘለንስኪ ብጣዕሚ መሓሪቆሞ ስለምንታይ ክራባታ ዘይትገብር ኩልና ንሕና ክራባታን ሱትን ጌርና ከለና ምክንያቱ ሕጊ ኣብ ናይ ኣብ ዝኾነ ይኹን ፕሬዚደንታት ክራኸብ ከሎ ፎርማል ክዳን ክትክደን ኣለካ ሱት ክትገብር ኣለካ ዋይ ዶንት ዩ የብልካ እንዲኻ ኮንካ ባድላ የብልካ እንዲኻ ኮንካ ይብሎ ኣሎ ናይ I think ካልእ ደረጃ እዩ ዝገደፍ ውል የብሎም ኩሎም ክትርኢ ከለኻ
I will wear costume after this war will finish.
Okay.
Yes, maybe something like yours, yes. Maybe
مرة حريق له oh my god من يمد الله كلهم طبعا أمريكا منستري جات وصايت ريال لغم منستري مخطط البريزنت this was a disaster كم زي تراين reactions كاب كلا عالم كمان يروحون رينا this oh my god this was crazy توم دقفتنا تو بقول وجن عم نزي كنتات كعمون كزاربون ديم جميرهم بس كأب يوكرين تعينت قبل ما استواهي بس كان سمع
It is really an unprecedented day for the Ukrainian president. I don't think, he's normally used to being received with applause and warm welcomes, especially from European allies. And then all of a sudden now he's just faced the biggest backlash from the United States president himself. Where do we stand? What kind of reactions are coming from Ukrainians themselves?
طيب لالوسكي أبي روباك ما تقول زلنسكي بتعقيتن عللتان مغوسن كبرن أوف نيوم زقبلوا نيروم بأمريكا كم زبال ديل دونالد ترامب زي عقاتي مع الله ولا دونالد ترامب أب زبن جو بايدن ون أوفنا باليوم زقبلوا نيروم حجكن كم زبحال يلن أبزي درانا دما انتايو كميزة لو تكبر مالسكا بيوكرين.
Well, before giving you the reactions from Ukrainians themselves, I'm going to give you this quite telling reaction from Dmitry Medvedev, the former president of Russia, who shared on his social media, the insolent pig finally got a proper slapdown in the Oval Office. And real Donald Trump is right. The Kyiv regime is gambling with World War III. So what happened in the Oval Office serves exactly Moscow's propaganda and the Kremlin's agenda in
انتهت بالدلا روسيا منستر نكرم بريزنت زنبرينا سكيورتي حلافي ديمتري ميدفيديف disrespectful بسالساي كنات علم زلاغا زلو دونالد زيلينسكي دونالد ترامب لما حق نيرو زي صف اغمان قريمنا بمبال راشا قال
Ukraine, as you've just heard from Medvedev, whom I was quoting, and it is with this in mind that people in Ukraine have reacted. The Ukrainians themselves, whom I talked to, were not surprised at the fact that the two leaders didn't see eye to eye, but that's a euphemism after what happened. I think no head of state has been disrespected the way Volodymyr Zelensky has been disrespected, not just by Donald Trump, but also by Vice President J.D. Vance, and we've had some reactions from the Ukrainian government.
بحكي تي مرحناتنا عبي disrespect وين ንመራሒና ከም ኣብ ዓለም ከምዚ ናይ መራሒና ዩክሬን ኮይኑ ዘዋረድዎ ሰብ የለን እዚ ድማ ንዩክሬናውያን ሕማቅ ከም ዝሰምዖም ክልቲኦም ፕሬዚደንት ይኹን ምክትል ፕሬዚደንት ዝገበርዎ እዮም ዝብሉ ዘለዉ አሚን This is going to be history.
With Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal, who shared on his social media that President Volodymyr Zelensky is right. Peace without guarantees is not possible, and a ceasefire without guarantees is the way to Russian occupation to all European continents. Also, to give you another reaction from the government, the head of the presidential office, Andriy Yermak, shared quite a
So, ከም ንሪኦ ዘለና ግብረ መልሲ ካብ ኤሮፓ ፅንሂሎም ከሪአኩም ብሓፈሻ ኤሮፓ ፅቡቅ ኣይተሰምዖምን ፅቡቅ ክስምዖም ካይክልኒ of course it's a disaster ያጋጢሙ ዘሎ ካብዚ ናበይ ገፅካ ክትከይድ ትኽእል እንታይ ክትገብር ትኽእል እቶም ጋዜጠኛታት ኣብኡ ዝነበሩ ዝሃብዎ ሪያክሽን ክርኢና ግን ሓንቲ ላብዚ ፅቡቅ ገይሩ ሰብ ክርዳ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ምስ ወፀ ግብረ መልሲ ይህብ ነይሩ ዘለንስኪ እውን ኣብ ካልእ ቴሌቭዥን መፅኡ ግብረ መልሲ ይህብ ነይሩ እስከ ንእሽተይ ክንሰምዖም ኣብዚ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ
America great again and it's setting records and otherwise the country's really doing well. We're respected again all over the world. If you look, we had the Japanese Prime Minister. We had the Prime Minister yesterday of UK, as you know. We had the Prime Minister of India. We have another 20 Prime Ministers and Presidents wanting to come. And it's very good feeling. I think our country has really turned around. We had a meeting today, as you know, with President Zelensky, and I would say it didn't work out exactly great from his standpoint. I think he very much overplayed his hand. We're looking for peace. We're not looking for somebody that's going to sign up a strong.
ኣሜሪካ ኣብ ናተይ ምሕደራ ኣብ ሪስፔክት ረኺባ ኣላ ብዙሓት መራሕቲ ይመፁና ኣለዉ ፅቡቅ ዝኾነ ኣካይዳ ንኸይድ ኣለና ሎሚ ግን ምድራኽሞም ዘለንስ ክርከብ ነይሩኒ ዝነበረና ድማ ኤግዛክትሊ ፅቡቅ ከይዱ ክንብል ኣይንኽእል ኢና ልዕሊ ዓቕሙ ዘለዎ ልዕሊ ዓቕሙ ክዛረብን ድሌታትን ኣለዎ ስለዚ እዚ ድማ ፀገም ይኸውን ኣሎ
power and then not make peace because they feel emboldened and that's what I saw happening. I'm looking for peace. We're not looking to go into a 10-year war and play games. We want peace. And it was just my impression that if we do that, if we sign up, he's looking for something that I'm not looking for. He's looking to go on and fight. We're looking to end the death. 2,000 people died this week. Soldiers, more than that, but 2,000 approximately people died.
So, Donald Trump ክስዕሮ ይክልኒ ምክንያቱ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ምስ ሰብ መብዛሕትኡ ሰብ ክርድኦ ዝኽእል ቋንቋ እዩ ዝጥቀም ዘሎ ሓደ ንሱ ኩናት እዩ ዝደሊ ዘሎ ንኩናት ክሕግዞ እዩ ዝደሊ ዘሎ ኣነ ድማ ሰላም እየ ዝደሊ ዘለኹ ኣብዛ ዝሓለፈ ሰሙን ጥራይ 2,000 ሰብ ተቐቲሎም ኣለዉ ኢሉ ማለት ብገምጋም ክንወስድ ንኽእል 2,000 ሰብ That's a lot of people እዚ ህልቂት እዩ ስለዚ እዚ ኩናት ዝጠጠው ክብል ክኽእል ኣለዎ ንሳቶም ከም ክቕፅል እዩ ዝደልይዎ ዘለዉ ግን እዚ ንሕና ድማ ጠጠው ክብል ስለምንታይ ክቕፅል ይደልይዎ ኣለዎ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ሕጂ የጋንን እዩ ዘሎ ክትብሉ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ናው እንድሕሪ ነቲ ዲል ሕጂ ምስ ፑቲን ዝግበር ዘሎ ዲል እንተደይሰሊጡ እንታይ ከጋጥም ከም ዝኾነ ተኸተሊቱ ኩናት ማለት እዩ ስለዚ እቲ ዲል ክሰልጠሉ ዝኽእል ብዝቐልጠፈ ዲል ክግበር ተኽኢሉ እቲ ሞት ጠጠው ክብል እዩ ድሕሪቱ ካለ ገለ ክግበር ክኽእልኸውን ይብላ ኣሎ እንተደየለ ግን እቲ ኩናት ንክቕፅል እዩ እቲ ሞት ድማ ክቕፅል እዩ እናበለ ይዛረብ ዘሎ She has a point, but still, very complicated world.
This week, young Ukrainians and Russians, and somebody would say, why do you care about Ukraine and Russian soldiers? I care about them. I care about everybody. And we're not doing that. Now,
እትሞት ድማ ብክልቲኡ ወገን ናይ ዩክሬን ሰራዊት ይኹን ናይ ራሽያ ይሞት ኣሎ ብዛዕባ ናይ ራሽያ ሰራዊት ኣይገደሰካ ዝብለኒ ሰብ ከሎ ኽእል ኣነ ብዛዕባ ደቂ ሰባት ግደሰ ብክልቲኡ ወገን ዘለዉ ስለዚ እጅ ከም ዝኽብል ከሎ ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ናይ ሞትን ናይ ገለመለን ደጋፊ ይኮነን ክትብለ ትኽእል ኢኻ ኦብቪየስሊ ጀነራል ብዛዕባ ኩናት ናይ ብዙሓት ሰባት ዝድግፍ ሰብ ኣይኮነን ናቱ ክትበ ፅቡቕ እዩ ዓንዳር ፖለቲካ ከለዎ ይኽእል ኣብ ሞትን ገለን ክኾን ከሎ ግን ጥንቁቕ እዩ ካብ ካልኦት መራሕቲ ናይ ኣሜሪካ ማለት እቶም ካልኦት መልሓሶም ፅቡቕ ንሞት ግን ድሕር ዘይብሉ መዓት ህልቂት ክፈፅሙ ድሕር ዘይብሉ እዮም ነይሮም ኦኬ ዘለንስኪ ዝገበራ ድማ ክንሪኣስ ከነቀናብሮም መኖም እዩ ተጋጊዩ መን ካብኣቶም ኣነ ተጋጊየ ነይረ ክብል ክኢሉ ኣብዚኣ ሓንቲ ቪድዮ ነይራ ኣብ ፎክስ ዓዲሞሞ ምክንያቱ ኩላቶም እቶም ሰነድ ገለመለ ብክልቲኡ ወገን ዘሎ ንዘለንስኪ ይድግፍዎ ስለ ዝኾኑ ሃያ ሚድያ ምፅኣዮ ይቕረታ ክብል ኣለዎ ተባሂሉ እስከ ዝገበራ ራዩ
To continue to do this interview, President Trump said after your meeting that you disrespected him and the vice president and all of America in the Oval Office. Do you think you did? And do you think you owe an apology to President Trump?
So تحتو دحر تركب بريزيدنت دونالد ترامب نسخة ني بريزيدنتن نمقتل بريزيدنتن ني حزب أمريكان كبرى عقديل كاوي كا ديسريسبكت غير كا يبلا كارلو كوميس مع كادنا عاقي اللي حط له ني زلنسكي مالتي.
Thanks so much. First of all, thank you for the invitation for this dialogue, and good evening to all your country, to all Americans. I'm very thankful to Americans for all your support. You did a lot. I'm thankful to President Trump and to Congress bipartisan support. And I was always very thankful from all our people. You helped us a lot from the very beginning during 3 years of full-scale innovation. You helped us to survive. And anyway, we are strategic partners, and even in such tough dialogue. And I think we have to be very honest, and we have to.
So مزقانا كل جزء أنت إن أمريكان سب أمريكان كونغرس نقولون دونالد ترامب تدخل أمريكا بزح حاجة زي كيرات لنا بزح حلف سلف عمت سلزي مزقانا لأني كونغرس يكون بسنة كله تبغى دقف توهيب النايم زوكينات زين سلسة عمد ما سرفايف نكون قبل زخالنا بناتكم حاجة زيز بالزلو دامج كنترول بهالزي دامج كنترول نتسور دعنوت نمتسقان زقبر زلو جاي بحال فوكس بموتو دما ني دونالد ترامب فوتو channel سلازغونه maybe تلوا كله يخليهم سلزي I don't know, this is going to be interesting
to be very direct, to understand each other, because it's very, for us, very necessary to President Trump. And I'm with all respect that he wants to finish this war, but nobody wants to finish more than we, because we in Ukraine, we are in this war, we are in this battle, and battle for freedom, for our lives. So I'm just telling that I think that we have to be on the same side, and I hope that the president on our side together with us, and that is very important to stop Putin. And I heard from President Trump a lot of times that he will stop the war, and I hope he will, and we need.
بحفشة كم زبل زلو مس أمريكا لما بقلت كن زراربكم كلالنا مال التكوينات تتوقف اللي دللو يبهلا له دونالد ترامب تتوقف اللي دللو جن كبنا على التكوينات تتوقف اللي زدلية لأن إحنا نتواجه نغفل زلنا بيوكرين حزب يوكرين يتواجه غفل زلو جن بخمي من قد تتوبل نحن أبتت تتوزب له زلو من قدي مسانا تميعيد كان أنا دليتاتنا تناخب بمتى عتديو صغير كا نحن عنا بزي ربح وي ونحن زي نتكمل وي ونحنا نحوارو وحسنا ديه بنا من قد تقوينو مسانا كنزرارب لنا بقلت ما كنزرارب لنا نابلي زارب زلو زارب زلو بوينتس completely جيجاوي ما غايكون تبغى تات زارب زلو اتحطوا تراي تايو اتزارب نسو زارب زلو نيغوسيشنز حقا زايكون معناته نتكونات انكو عدل عجي ترقيبا لا تكونات تزي لا تكونات قصيل تكونات قصيل لما موتن فاتني كقصل حدا غنيا كونات مخانو لما كل سبيت فل سلازي ما يبزل نسك موت هيكلني كن شحاد من ساعات كموتيوم نسوني قتل لك ابراش فلوتيو اتس ا فيري بروتال وور سلازي اذا كونات زت قبل ني يوكرين راشا نمل العالم اوروبا اقداسي سو whatever the price تتوكل له زغل من قدي انا يدق في حق المزرعه
to pressure him with Europe, with all the partners. And I think this dialogue had to be a little bit earlier to understand where we are. Like
كالوت كنت هاي لهم يملسوا له بزحات درجة مزاربة رسي وقين زلوا مجمع قلنا أوروبا مراحل تبلتوسك أب أمريكا خيدا مزخونة كتراخب زي كعلت انترفيو قلت كتقبر زخالة سمعوها بزي.
Well, what I'm attempting to accomplish with it is in short term really the support to Ukraine that it needs. The stronger they are on the battlefield, the stronger they are behind the negotiation table. I mean, they have to be as strong as they would be able to say no to a bad deal. I think this is important. So the new initiative.
زياتري وازلهم كيا كلاس من يسرق داتو تاينا أوروبا وحبرتها. أتذكرم يزبلكم زلهم قدم سيدك كنسيون هاي سلام دك تبعتي دمانا قرقر نبلنا يرنا بفلا إذا ما تم حيالات مسؤول دونالد ترامب سي ماسكولين ماني يمزبلوه سو كلهم تم أبغون نزلهم كمية نسام سلامكم لخلوا بتندك كنسيو ناي سلام قناة بلان جماعة كينات تات بلا لاجي نحنا نبلو زلنا مدك قدام يكون زرار بلون لنا يوكرين حيل كله ماله بايتا مس حيل ترايم حيلن تلوم دما حماق ديل كقاتم كله عينو دليونينا كبلو ما كلهم يخليات لا سلازي ذاتس واي دما اتمزنا انا امريكا منستر كل خال ماركو روبيو كره بازي دلي اب امريكا خلص قبرت انترفيوز اب امريكا قلت مالت ديك لغيرا كره باي دلين نت ابوينتمنت نبر كانسل غيرو سلامتاي اي كويناس ناي سلام قانقوا زلوا ايكونتن مساد ما كردارا يكلني سلازي ንሳቶም ንሰላም ነቲ ኩናት ጠጠው ከብልዎ ይዳለውሉ እሳ ድማ ነቲ ኩናት ክቕፅል ዝኽእለሉ መንገዲ ክንፈጥር ኣለና ትብል ስለዚ ንዓ ኣብ ከላ ገዲፉ ንትርኩ ኸይዱ ኣብ ትርኩቲ ካልኣይ ገጽ ናይቲ ኔጎሲሽንስ ምስ ራሽያ ክገብር መሪፁ ማለት እዩ ኤውሮጳ እቲ ኮሚሽን ድማ ፅፍዒት የጋጢምዎ ዘሎ ኩሉ ንሪኦ ዘለና ናይ ብሓቂ ዘስደምምን ዘገርምን እዩ ኤውሮጳ ግን I think እንታይ ኢላ ፅሒፋ ነይራ እሳ ድሕርቲ ናይ ዘለንስኪ ባዕሲ ኤውሮጳ ተስፋ ገብር በሪህልኩም ክኸውን ኢላቶም እዚ ፍሪ ወርልድ ዝበሃል ምዕራባዊ ዓለም መራሒ የድልዮ ኣሎ መራሒ ከም ዘይብሉ ርኢና ኣለና ንኣሜሪካ ማለት እዩ መራሒ የድልዮ ኣሎ ኤውሮጳ ድማ ነቲ ቻለንጅ ንምውሳድ ክንፍትን ክንክል ኣለና ብምባል ፅሒፋ ነይራ ስለዚ ክሊርሊ ኣንጻር ኣሜሪካ ትኸይዳ ኣላ ኤውሮጳ ከዋፅኦም ዲ ብኸሙ we don't know ናይ ብሓቂ ዝተፈለየ መርገጽ ናይ ኤውሮጳ ክንርኢ ንኽእል ኢና ዝብል እምነት ኣለኒ ትብዓት ኣለዎ እንተኮይነን ማለት እዩ
It's basically, it is based on the GNIP of the country, and so basically either you chip in with the ammunition capabilities, or you provide the funds so that we can purchase this from elsewhere. And we had the foreign affairs ministers meeting on Monday. There was a broad support for that initiative. When it comes to numbers, then we didn't intentionally. I mean, first we had the numbers in, but then we heard back from some member states saying that let the leaders decide on the numbers, leave the numbers blank. Let's decide on the principle, and we have the meeting on the 6th of March where the leaders are meeting, and we should agree. So, I mean, I try to say that fine if you say we need to discuss and look into details, fine, but take this time right now because we really need to show our resolve.
بحفشا كم تبلو دلان سا كمي جرات كوينات كدالو يخل كمي جرناني يوكرين كان تقان نخل كمي جرناني يوكرين وتهدروا عما كم زحيل كن جبر نخلي أتول دلا سلس عمت حليف زلو كوينات دسين قام زيا سبزيا نسا بريزيدنت ناتا حلا في الدماء بلاليا زلاتا أورسولا فاندر لاينين it's a very sad reality كم دريو زلنا ممليسو حلال قداي نارانا خلنا they keep pushing نبتو كوينات try that's why Europa captured أولاد تقليلهم زلوا مالتي. قالوا دما react governor
is sitting in the Oval Office right now, and it's not going well. This is just coming across the wires. We've got a soundbite. Apparently, what teed this particular exchange you're about to hear off is Zelensky was maintaining that Trump. He's sitting there with Trump and JD. That Trump cannot trust Vladimir Putin, and things went downhill from there. Watch.
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you're not strong,
President, with
problem. Don't tell us what gambling.
What did you see there?
I feel like a child.
بحفشة ديال ناي راشا ناي يوكرين ما بقول زلوانين أنا تكونتات كرداز خلالات حتى نزلا انتاي قاطي منتاي قينو سبزي نابلين زاربا زلا.
Yeah, right. So I mean, that you understand this region of the world a bit. What did you see there?
I feel like a child of divorce. This brings me right back to my parents feuding in our living room. I don't really get Zelensky. I don't have a good theory of mind for him outside of him being an actor, and he always acts like he's like in a Liam Neeson or Tom Cruise action film. He seems kind of uppity and entitled when people are trying to extend an olive branch.
Yeah, I mean, he's been doing his begging for money tour for years.
سنتين زبلا زلوا سخن كابت بوتاز تولد كن يخن تلزينة بحالك تردوت خلا انتاي رايكنا الليلون سيام I think is سبزي تواسع أيو يواسع يزلوا من البات أبناء توم كروز فيلمي زلوا خينو قسمه يخليو كم رما entitled مالت كم زكولك زي ما متيو زو حبوز نبرس لزخنا كم زقبو غير وسيل وين تحجزنا أمريكا زقبو خينو سلسمع زلوا لما really discredit يوم زقبرو زلوا زلنسكي حلف حليف هذا بوليتيكانيا ساب سلطان كقصل دايك قصلن كان تزاري بنير وهذا كابتن دقفتنا النبرة
9 times since the war started. I understand the consequences of Putin's actions against Ukraine. I appreciate what the Ukrainian people have done. They fought like tigers. At the end of the day, I was hoping that this minerals deal, which would be transformative in the relationship, would go over well. I talked to Zelensky this morning. Don't take the bait. President Trump was in a very good mood last night. Somebody asked me.
So بحفش أنت يزبل زلو زي حدا كابتوم ناي كوينات نجاريت كبرو زحرم قدام أيو إندي جرهم بال أنا ساس كارولاينا سنتري مثلني أنا أفتو كوينات نا يوكرين وقلنا كله رمو بقى بومبا نكبر نقتل زبليو so ني زلنسك ده ما تسأل بيت ولا ما
Am I embarrassed about Trump? I have never been more proud of the president. I was very proud of J.D. Vance. standing up for our country. We want to be helpful. What I saw in the Oval Office was disrespectful, and I don't know if we can ever do business with Zelensky again. I think most Americans saw a guy that they would not want to go in business with. The way he handled the meeting, the way he confronted the president was just over the top. So I think the relationship between Ukraine and America is important. Finally,
እንታይ ዝብል ዘሎ እዚ ኻ ሰልበት ኢሉ ንዶናልድ ትራምፕ ንምሕጓሲ ወምሳሕቲ ግዜ ኮሚዩ ለኽበትበት እዩ ዝብል ብዶናልድ ትራምፕ ዝረአዮ ንሃገርና ንምክልኻል ናይ ብሓቂ ኮርዕየ ብጄዲ ቫንስ እውን ኮርዕየ ዘለንስኪ ግን ናይ ብሓቂ ዝሕፍር እዩ እና ዶን ኢቭን ነው ድሕሪ ሕጂ ምስ ዲል ክንገብር ንኽእል ኣይንኽእልን ርግፀኛ ኣይኮንኩን ዘረአዮ ባህሪ ተጠንቀቕ ኢልና ነርና ንዶናልድ ትራምፕ ትማሊ ጽቡቕ እዩ ነይሩ ቅድሚ ዝርከብ እዚ ኣብ ጽቡቕ ሙዲ ነይሩ ጽቡቕ ዝኾነ ደገፍ ንዩክሬን ክህብ ይኽእል ነይሩ ዲዛስተር ዝኾነ ሸው ገይሩ ኣቡ ነቲ ኩነታት ድማ ብምሉእ ኣበላሽዎ ስለዚ ዘለንስኪ maybe ክቕያር ክኽእል ኣለዎ ካብ ስልጣኑ ክእለ ክኽእል ኣለዎ እውን ክሳብ ምባል ዝበፅሐ ዕሉል ደጋፍ ናይ ኩናት ናይ ዩክሬን ዝነበረ ሰኔተር ኢና ንርኢ ዘለና ስለዚ እቲ ኩነታት ናይ ብሓቂ ኣብ ሕማቕ ደረጃ ከም ዝኸደ ኢና ንርኢ ዘለና ናይ ሆፕ እዚ ኩነታት ንሕና መወዳእታ ሰላም ኢና ንደሊ ሰላም ክመፅእ ክኽእል ኣለዎ ምክንያቱ ኒኩለር ዝዓጠቓ ሃገራት ኣብ ከምዚ ዓይነት ርፅ ምክኣትዋ ከለዎ ናብ ካልእ ሚስ ካልኩሌሽንስ ክኸይድ ስለ ዝኽእል ዝበዝሐ ህዝቢ ሰላምን ርግኣትን እዩ ዝደሊ ስለዚ ኣብ ከምኡ ስለ ዝኾነ ድማ ናይ ሎማ ርእሲ ኣብዚ ክንወዲ ክንፍትን ኢና ላይክ ግበሩ ሰፖርት ግበሩ ደገፍኩም ሃቡ እናበልኩ ኣብዚ ክወዲ ኣብ ካልእ ይራኸበና